morning. It is Sunday. It's almost 5. I am trying to get my laundry from yesterday organized while I'm trying to fix something that I was doing. As you can see, I forgot everything, so I'm fixing, watching the video, and watching a video too. Having some of my, it looks like a donut, but it's not a donut, and my coffee for breakfast. And I think I have time to iron because it's not a lot, so we will do that. I have problems with ants, and I removed the water of my iron machine. And today when I came to put water, this is just few of the ants because it was a lot of ants coming out. I don't know if they were using as a home. Oh my god, how is that possible? I just finished doing the jog part of my sweater. Now I need to make this get a little wet and stretch and leave it dry. So let's do that. Okay, sorry the noise, but I have here my pattern. This is stretch. I think I will leave it just here. It will cool down or dry while it's here. I got these to use on my box. I have a complete box of these, but they are amazing. So we will leave there, and maybe when I come to pick these, I will bring a towel to try to dry a little more this. But it's a little wet, and you will look good there. Finish all my things that I have for breakfast that I've been doing, and I think I will do this is a vintage recipe from Better Homes, fluffy orange cake. I think I will do that. Let's do that. I'm at work and I came to see